Hi, this is Tamitha, Fairhope artist. This is a new painting I just did. Kind of a combination of swiping and oil paints, acrylic paints, lots of cool colors. Had fun with this one. And also did this smaller one right behind it because it was so much fun. Bring you down for a close-up. I love this little area here. Let's see. Little trails of alcohol and oil paints. Kind of some batiking in areas. See if I can get a better look this way. Yeah, a little bit better this way. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, please. Have a great day.